Hi there, Chris here. I have this beast of a lock that's made by Schlage, and it has a American core in it. I believe it's 6-pin. It's a very nice snap. Here comes Suki. Hi, Suk. Yes. See if we can get in here. A heavy lock. Got a little bit of a false set. Some counter in the back. Overset, let it drop. Counter on one. Bit of a tricky pick. Lots of serrations. Boy, it sure takes a lot of tickling. Pretty good false set there. Feels like counter on one, but I'm going to check other pins first. Dang. that's no good. Yes, it is. All right, there you go. Let's check this out. Let's see what's inside. This is a tricky pick, I have to say. Hasuk. There we go. Come on. Everybody's coming out. Does it have a bypass? No, it does not. Okay. This is a beast. I should do the measurements. Oh, we have this. We'll find, whoa, a shim. We'll lock it back up, take off the pin, or whatever you call that thing. Ooh, sook. Oh, this one might be gut wrench. Or stick it there, use a fingernail, pivot out. Oh, just about had it. Just about had it. There we go. Grab it. Glad it didn't go flying. Oh, there's the bitting on the key. Maybe some shimming. He said. Maybe that shim's messed up on that end. There we go. Ooh. Yes, it's pinned to 6. Ooh, maybe that's an overset trap. Let's see. Focus. Yeah, number 5 is kind of an overset trap. Just barely had to be touched. Okay, let's see if we can get this focusing down here. That's 2. Must be greasy. One, 3 over here. 5. Come here. 4. Oh, it has little serrations inside. This is good. Good core. So, if you look in there, you can see slight undercut on, it appears to be all of them. All right, that's cool. That works. Let's see what we have in here. Where's my tweezers? Oh, sorry. A 6 is a spool. 5 is a spool. 4 is a spool. 3 is a spool. Come here. One is a standard steel. Oh no, that's not steel, sorry. And two is a spool. And let's see about the springs. I think they're all the same. Yeah, they're all little copper springs. Little springy copper springs. Anyway, this is a Schlage with an American core. It's a beast of a Schlage. I'll show the key again. Beast of an American core, all 6 pins. Come on. Hi, Slink. Don't disturb Suki. We don't want to have a wreck here. Oh. Anyway, that's this beast of a Schlage. Very heavy. It is a 35-1226. 35-12. I'm sorry, 85-1226. All right, thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment, say hello to the cats, and we will see you next time.